As the world enters the era of 5G wireless communications, we see a future of unlimited possibilities. A chance to revolutionize the way we work and play, and to create a smarter world with IoT. Imagine smart factories with connected robots and sensors that will not just improve efficiency and productivity, but also predict and address problems before they occur. Imagine providing experiential training to workers with VR without risking their safety in hazardous environments, or delivering immersive live experiences to customers no matter where they are. Imagine safer cities with zero blind spots thanks to autonomous drones, robots and cameras, where crime is prevented and minimized. How will you unleash the unlimited possibilities of 5G and IoT? Join the Maxis IoT Challenge and tackle today's biggest challenges in manufacturing, security and collaboration. Get access to up to 800,000 ringgit in funding and opportunities, and be one of the first to commercialize a 5G solution in Malaysia. Search Maxis IoT Challenge to learn more.